What is up, guys? Jeremy from the New Age. I am back yet again with another video. This is going to be super short. This is how to use a PS4 controller to play FIFA or Madden or basically any game that is glitched out. Now on Windows, most of the time you have to use an Xbox controller, right? So the PS4 controller doesn't always have that compatibility, especially in FIFA 20, FIFA 19, FIFA 21, whatever. You're going to get those menu glitches where it's constantly just like scrolling. Okay, so I've seen a couple different methods. This is the best one that I've found, okay? You can use DS for Windows if you want. That one seems to go in and out for me. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's super fucking frustrating. Sometimes you got to restart your computer. Annoying. This method, you do not have to do that. This is right through Steam. Okay, this is especially for FIFA 21. I will do a separate video for Madden as well, but this method does work for Madden as well if you have a Dualshock PS4 controller. Okay, so let's jump into it. All right, so here's my screen right here. All right, you plug your PS4 controller in. Got it. Good, easy, right? So the first thing you're gonna do is definitely you want to open up Origin. Okay, I run it as an administrator. I've never had a problem doing that, okay? It's on my other monitor. It is open. Here, I'll drag it over right here. But I'm just going to put this on my other monitor for now, okay? Next step. Open Steam. Okay, if you don't have Steam, it's free. Download it, okay? So, we open Steam. All right, so Steam is open. Good to go, right? Here we go. This is what you're going to do. Add a non-Steam game to your library. It's right here. Click this button right here where it says add a game. Go a non-Steam game. Boom. It's going to pull everything up. See FIFA 21 down here? Check that. Add selected programs. That easy, okay? So now that we have that done, Origin has already been opened. Steam is open. You just add it to your library, right? Click big picture mode, okay? Turn your volume down because that does get a little loud. All right, now you're in your library. First thing you want to do is just make sure your controller is connected. Go up to this little gear right here, click that. Controller settings, detected controllers. There you go, PlayStation 4 controller. Click identify. Okay, you'll feel it vibrate. Okay, easy. So now that we know our controller's hooked up, now I can use my controller right here. Easy. Go to library. And yeah, you can go games, FIFA 21. Boom. Okay. Click it. Click play. Now, FIFA gets a little tricky with this. This is why I'm doing this tutorial, because I had the issue. When you click play, what just happened? It popped up with this stupid launcher right here. And now you got to click play again. I have noticed that when that launcher pops up and you have to click play again, the controller doesn't work properly. So here's the fix to that. Two parts. Let's go back. Click the little power button. I'm going to click exit big picture. Okay. So your regular Steam window. This is how you fix that right here. Go to your game folder. Yours may be in the C drive here. Program files, Origin games. Okay. May be in there. Mine is not. So just go to your game folder where all your games are installed. Origin games. Here it is, FIFA 21. All right, so now that you're in the FIFA folder, this is what you do. See this folder right here? It says FIFA setup. Click that. There's this config file right here. Okay, there's a config file. Double click it. It's going to open this up right here. Okay, you're going to type, I'm going to include this in the description. This is what you're going to do. You're going to make sure you're on the line below all that. In caps, auto underscore launch space =, space 1. Click save. You can do that by hitting Control S like I just did, or click file, save, and close it out. Now, back in Steam, right here. Click big picture mode again. Library, I'm on my controller now. I'm moving it with my controller. Library, FIFA 21. Click the play button. See if it auto launches. And boom, look at that. Auto launch, just like that. No more stupid menu that's going to throw your controller config off. We are good to go. Okay, so let's let it open here. And I am using my controller. I'm not using my keyboard or mouse, okay? This is how you get full functionality and avoid that stupid menu glitch that happens in FIFA and Madden. Starter space. I'm using my controller, boys and girls. I'll just show you too. Controller. No menu glitch. No menu glitch. It's not scrolling. Everything works perfect. Alright, that's it. That's all there is to it. Super easy tutorial. The auto launch button, that's a huge trick that I learned. That menu was getting me, that launcher where you gotta click it was really throwing me off and the controller was not working properly. That is how I figured out how to solve it. Anyway, if you like this video, click the like button. Please subscribe. We got plenty of tutorials, plenty of content. It's all coming out. So click that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. I am Jeremy, and I will see you next time. Peace.